Hey, I'm James from Dad BBQ, and today I'm responding to some fan mail questions, which is after my last cook on my favorite way to do chicken wings on the Joe Tisserie using a grill basket. You guys asked, what if I don't have either of those things? I don't have a grill basket, I don't have a Joe Tisserie. What should I do in terms of cooking an amazing chicken wing? And fear not, you can turn out an amazing chicken wing, and I'm going to show you how. Today we're going to use the SloRoller and cook hot and fast and get some amazing chicken wings. So let's fire it up. All right, we have already cleaned out our Kamado Joe from our last cook, so we are ready to go. And so to pull off the amazing chicken wing using the SloRoller, what I've done is I've gone ahead and put a little piece of hickory wood underneath the grill basket and added my charcoal on top of that. I don't want to have too much smoke flavor. Smoke and chicken can quickly lead to a rubbery skin. All of those problems go away though if we cook hot and fast, as that will render out that skin. We'll get some of that smoke flavor with none of the negative side effects. So today I'm going to use the SloRoller, cooking around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As I mentioned, I've gone ahead already and added that smoke wood. So all we have to do now is fire up our grill. Okay guys, our grill is up to temperature. We just crossed over 400 degrees, so we are ready to throw on our wings. Today I've seasoned our pack of wings two different ways. So I got a Costco pack, it's about 2.3 kilograms. I split half, and we're gonna do lemon, pepper, and garlic, and do those for the kids. The other half I went ahead and seasoned with Meat Church Holy Voodoo rub. I'm gonna do a video in the future. You guys have been asking for it. Let me know again in the comments if you want to see that, where I'll show you how to make some of your own rubs. But as far as a store-bought rub goes, this one's pretty special. So I don't give a lot of shout outs to rubs since I like to make all my own, but this one I'll make an exception to the rule. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. We're gonna do these spicy buffalo style for the adults. So to help separate everything, today I'm going to be using the Kamado Joe extended grill grid accessory. And so I'm going to do half up high and keep them separate from the other half down low. Normally you don't need this because with the SloRoller you get the entire 18-inch grid that you have available on the Kamado Joe Classic, and that's enough. But just to help keep everything separate, I'm going to go ahead and divide things up. So let me bring you a little bit closer while we throw these wings on. And I'm guessing today's cook time at 400, 425 is going to be somewhere in the 30 to 40 minute range. We'll check for an internal temperature for the wings that we are going to sauce around 165 degrees. Toss them in some sauce and put them back on for another 10-15 minutes for that sauce to tack up. And for the wings with no sauce, we'll remove those around 174 to 180 degrees because those are just going to be fall off the bone tender. Come a little closer and I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, our wings are done and they look amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both batches in a foil pan. I'll put the ones without sauce just back on to keep warm. The wings that we're gonna sauce with some buffalo sauce. And I'm just using Frank's Buffalo pre-made sauce. The family loves that one, so don't need to argue with what the family loves. And I'm just gonna toss those in sauce and we'll put them back on for about another 10 minutes or so just to let that sauce tack up. So let's go fast forward while we sauce our buffalo wings and we keep warm our regular lemon pepper wings. right, our wings are done. Our sauce is set. Let's go ahead and get these off. I'm actually taking these over to a neighbor, but I'm gonna keep a couple for ourselves so we can do a taste test and find out how we did. So let me get the foil pans off and then I'll wrap them. We'll do our taste test. I'll take you fast forward while we do that. All right, our wings have cooled off to the point where I think we can dig in and find out how we did. Let me show you what they look like. So on the left here, we have our salt and pepper wing, and on the right, we have our buffalo hot wing. They both look and smell awesome. I hope they taste only 10% as good as they look and smell, because they'll still be amazing. Anyways, let's dig in and find out how each one came out using the SloRoller on the Kamado Joe. I'm gonna try the lemon pepper one first, which is dry. It's not normally how I do it, but I wanna see what that tastes like. Oh my goodness. I have a problem. See, I said the rotisserie basket is my favorite way to do wings. But then there's this wing. Too soon to call it. Let me try the buffalo wing and see if we maybe have a new favorite method. 1 second. Dig into this bad boy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champion. See, my wife has been saying for a long time, she likes a SloRoller. I said, no, the basket is amazing. This is incredible. That smoke flavor that you get with none of the rubbery texture, because we are cooking so hot, so fast. It continues to render that fat, absorb some of that smoke, and at the same time we just get this delicate, crispy skin. It's incredible. You guys have to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you are lucky enough to have access to a Joe rotisserie with the basket and a SloRoller. Let me know what your favorite method is. Right now, I'm calling these reigning champion. Let me know if you want to see a head-to-head, because it's really hard to remember a couple weeks back, and I think the only way to do it is proper head-to-head. But right now, I'm saying these are champion. Anyways, until next time, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care. I want this. Oh yeah.